Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Cooking with NadZ. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Today we're going to be making garlic salmon with steamed vegetables and mashed potatoes. Please try it out and share in the comments below how it turned out. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And for now, let's get this recipe started. For the salmon marinade, you will need about one person piece, approximately 200 to 250 grams of a salmon fillet, 1 clove of garlic diced, about a third of a teaspoon of garlic paste, a few drops of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon teriyaki sauce, 1 teaspoon olive oil, and salt and pepper to taste. So let's prep the salmon marinade. We have here 1 clove of diced garlic, about a third of a teaspoon of garlic paste, and a few drops of lemon juice. And to this we add 1 teaspoon of teriyaki sauce and 1 teaspoon of olive oil, and some salt and pepper. Dip and soak all sides of the salmon fillet with the marinade for at least 30 minutes. For a more moist and succulent taste, leave it marinated and set it aside for 1 to 2 hours. For the side of steamed vegetables, we will be using fresh broccoli and cauliflower florets, enough for 1 person, and you'll need 1 tablespoon of melted unsalted butter with some salt and pepper to taste. The veggies will be steamed in a rice cooker on the steaming tray that comes with it. However, if you don't have a rice cooker, these can be steamed just as well on the stove in a pot with boiling water and the vegetables in a colander over the water covered with a lid. It works perfectly. For the mashed potatoes, you'll need 3 medium potatoes, 3 tablespoons of cooking cream, 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons full fat milk, and salt and pepper as per your taste. Boil the potatoes until they're tender and a fork can slide through them quite easily. Remove from the boiling water and peel them. Mash the potatoes into a soft, smooth texture without any lumps. So they're very fine at this point. You can see there's no lumps in there. So at this point you can add the cooking cream, the unsalted butter, as well as the full fat milk, and salt and pepper to your liking. Mix it all up. And your mashed potatoes are ready. Now for our marinated salmon piece, we take a teaspoon of olive oil and place it in a pan just so the salmon does not stick. Add the salmon to it and let it fry for about 5 minutes. While we fry the salmon fillet, let's steam the veggies simultaneously. It takes a quick 3 to 4 minutes to steam veggies for a good, crunchy, nutrition-filled taste. The tip for this recipe is definitely to avoid over-steaming, as this will rip the nutrients out and give it a very dead, soft feeling on the vegetables. Let it steam for 4 minutes and flip the salmon over. Drizzle the remaining marinade over the salmon for a juicier and tasteful salmon fillet. So within about 4 minutes, our fresh broccoli and cauliflower are done. I like my salmon nice and golden brown on all the sides. So on the shorter sides, I place it for about a minute or so as well for that nice look. Place the steamed vegetables onto your serving plate and drizzle it with the 1 tablespoon of melted unsalted butter along with the salt and pepper mixed in it, followed by placing the ready salmon and scoop out the mashed potatoes. And your dish is ready. So there you have it, guys. Easy to make, delicious garlic crusted salmon with steamed vegetables and mashed potatoes right here at home. If you enjoyed my video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, turn on the bell so you never miss any of my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Allah Hafiz. Bye.